I know it's simple subject. Many times we can learn much more from simple subjects. It also gives us confidence to attempt. Hi friends, I am Vanidas and I'll be explaining the painting process for this simple watercolor subject. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell notification. Without further ado, let us go into the video. Okay, I am using a cold pressed watercolor paper. It's around 300 GSM. The brand I am using is an Indian brand called Chitrapat, and any decent cold pressed 100% cotton watercolor paper can be used. To begin with, I am just thinking of a simple boat shape, and I am directly painting it with a synthetic round brush. And while painting, I am actually trying to see the shape in my mind. Okay, I am not depending upon the drawing. I am depending upon my memory, and you can develop your memory by practicing a lot. You can take a good amount of references and try to practice how to paint or draw boats from different angles. Okay, this is a very simple boat. One side of it I am making it little darker to suggest some direction of light. The under area of the boat is usually dark, so I am adding a little bit of Paynes gray and mixed with Vermillion red. The colors that I am using as of now is Vermillion red and Paynes gray. Right now, I have given the idea is to suggest some reflection. So at the area where the boat meets the ground, it is very dark, so I have used Paynes gray. And below that I have used the local color of the boat, and with the tip of my finger I am pulling it down so that it suggests the reflection on a wet land. It is not water, it's a wet land. That is the idea that I have. I think we need to accentuate it a little bit more, so adding a little bit more color, and I will probably smudge it once more. Now the width of the reflection seems to be slightly more, so I have to adjust the shape of the boat so that the width of the reflection and the width of the boat, they should match. It went even further. The width of the boat went little larger now, and I have to correct. We have to correct the shape of the boat so that the width of the subject and the reflection, they kind of match. I think this is reasonably doing well, and we don't have to do much on the boat. Maybe I will add a person here, and the boat is very simplified shape, and the person that I am going to make is also simplified. I have tilted the shape little bit to suggest that the figure, the person is tilting, the upper body of the person is tilted or bent towards the boat, so that he is doing something on the boat. Okay, it's a very kind of a silhouette sort of an approach, just the upper body and the leg and suggestion for the head and arms, not too much details. And this kind of simple suggestions will be much more helpful. I mean, whenever you make your landscapes and streetscapes or boatscapes or whatever, suggesting these tiny figures is very tricky. So you have to do a lot of practice and to get the shape right. Now you see that the shapes are convincing, but if you are painting it in the initial days, initial attempts, you may find it very challenging to get the shapes right. So what you do is you take a lot of references from, say, magazines or newspapers or YouTube videos or movies, and try to sketch people from life, most importantly from life. If you can move to a park or where people gather, you can sketch them. Same approach, I am suggesting the reflection by smudging it with the finger, and I have made a horizontal line where the objects meet the reflection. Okay. If you are finding this video informative, and if you are finding that something can be learned from this, please do subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, please share this video to your friends who would be interested in learning watercolors. Okay, so and if you have any questions or suggestions, please do write them into the comment box below. I'm adding a poll or something at the just to create another piece of interest. See, this is just an idea. This is from imagination, and I don't want to make it complex. Simple idea, and it can be finished in a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm explaining it, so I'm taking it this much of time. But if I just do it, I can do it even faster, and I can finish it in quite lesser time. For the figures, we have suggested the shape, the body, and now the exposed body part I am suggesting with thick orange paint directly picked from the tube, and I am using tube of colors, not the pan, so I am using thick colors, and all these touches are very suggestive. Okay, I think we are pretty much done. Some horizontal white lines makes it little bit interesting. So these reflection shapes are slightly broken, and it adds a little bit more interest. That is the reason I am going for these white marks. Okay, I think we are done pretty much with this tutorial. If you wanted, you could add lot more things. I would suggest you to pick up these kind of small subjects and develop your ideas and your skills by painting small objects. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them into the comment box below. You may also please share the video to your friends who can benefit from this video, and hope you have enjoyed and you have learned something from this video, and we will soon see you in a next video. So thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.